The Willie Kimani murder trial was today jolted back to life as investigating officer Nicholas Ole Sena took to the stand. Ole Sena put to task as to whether he could prove that Sylvia Wanjiku, a police officer, had any motive in the murder of Willie Kimani, Josephat Mwendwa and Joseph Muiruri, whose bodies were recovered from Oldonyo Sabuk River in the year 2016.
Colleagues, Professor.
Appearing before Justice Lessit on Friday morning, investigating officer Nicholas Ole Sena told the court that Sylvia Wanjiku, a police officer, was on duty at the Syokimau AP post where the three victims were detained and was therefore responsible for the whereabouts of the three at that time.
I can confirm she was at the station, yes.
Yeah, that we are in agreement?
We're in an agreement?
Yes.
She knew from the word go when the victims were brought at the AP, she was on duty. She could have divulged that information to the authorities.
Did you find Sylvia involved in any of these movements, either going to meet at the police canteen? You said there was a meeting at police canteen, isn't it?
Yes, my lady.
Then they went to Soweto. Then they went to Thika Road and so on and so forth. Did you find Sylvia in any of these movements, up and down?
No, she wasn't there.
In the cross-examination by Sylvia's counsel, Katwa Kigen, Ole Sena responded that he did not find Sylvia's motive for committing murder, telling the court that the keys to the cell in which the three deceased persons were held were under the care of Sylvia.
Now, we are in agreement already that there was nothing to suggest that Sylvia was known to the first, second, and third deceased, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, my lady. Yeah.
What of with the fifth accused? Did you determine anywhere that the fifth accused, whose confession you are relying on, whose contested confession you are relying on, was known to Sylvia?
No, she was not known. She was not.
The case is still being heard by Justice Lessit after she received written instructions from Chief Justice Martha Koome to conclude her partly heard matters and pending judgments. The hearing has been adjourned until the 22nd of July. Raquel Mugai, Citizen TV.